Shalom everyone! Welcome to your crash course to everyday Hebrew phrases that will have you sounding like a local in no time. Whether you're traveling to Israel, connecting with Hebrew-speaking friends, or just want to spice up your language game, today's video is packed with practical, fun, and super useful phrases. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to sprinkle these phrases into your conversations with confidence. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I'm going to work. As a male, say, אני הולך לעבודה. אני, I, הולך, going, singular male, לעבודה, to the work. To say, I'm going to the supermarket. As a female, say, אני הולכת לסופרמרקט. אני, I, הולכת, going, singular female, לסופרמרקט, to the supermarket. To say, he is eating an apple. Say, הוא אוכל תפוח. הוא, he, אוכל, eats, singular male, תפוח, an apple. To say, she is eating bread. Say, היא אוכלת לחם. He, she, אוכלת, eats, singular female, לחם, bread. To say, we are drinking water. Say, אנחנו שותים מים. אנחנו, we, שותים, drinking, plural, מים, water. To say, they are drinking coffee. Say, הם שותים קפה. הם, they, שותים, drinking, plural, קפה, coffee. To say, they are reading a book. When referring to females, say, הן קוראות ספר. הן, they, females, קוראות, reading, plural females, ספר, a book. To say, I am writing a letter. As a male, say, אני כותב מכתב. אני, I, כותב, writing, singular male, מכתב, a letter. To say, I am writing a message. As a female, say, אני כותבת הודעה. אני, I, כותבת, writing, singular female, הודעה, a message. To say, he speaks Hebrew. Say, הוא מדבר עברית. הוא, he, מדבר, speaks, singular male, עברית, Hebrew. To say, she speaks English. Say, היא מדברת אנגלית. He, she, מדברת, speaks, singular female, אנגלית, English. To say, we are learning Hebrew. Say, אנחנו לומדים עברית. אנחנו, we, לומדים, learning, plural, עברית, Hebrew. To say, they study at school. Say, הם לומדים בבית ספר. הם, they, לומדים, study, plural, בבית ספר, at school. To say, I live in Tel Aviv. As a male, say, אני גר בתל אביב. אני, I, גר, live, singular male, בתל אביב, in Tel Aviv. To say, I live in Jerusalem. As a female, say, אני גרה בירושלים. אני, I, גרה, live, singular female, בירושלים, in Jerusalem. To say, he works in an office. say, הוא עובד במשרד. הוא, he, עובד, works, singular male, במשרד, in an office. To say, she works at a hospital. say, היא עובדת בבית חולים. he, she, עובדת, works, singular female, בבית חולים, in a hospital. To say, we are cooking dinner. say, אנחנו מבשלים ארוחת ערב. אנחנו, we, מבשלים, cooking, plural, ארוחת ערב, dinner. To say, they are flying to Israel. say, הם טסים לישראל. הם, they, טסים, flying, plural, לישראל, to Israel. To say, I ride the bus. As a female, say, אני נוסעת באוטובוס. אני, I, נוסעת, riding, singular female, באוטובוס, in the bus. To say, I ride the train. As a male, say, אני נוסע ברכבת. אני, I, נוסע, ride, singular male, ברכבת, in the train. To say, he buys milk. say, הוא קונה חלב. הוא, he, קונה, buys, singular male, חלב, milk. To say, she buys vegetables. say, היא קונה ירקות. he, she, קונה, buys, singular female, ירקות, vegetables. To say, I need help. As a male, say, אני צריך עזרה. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, עזרה, help. To say, I need water. As a female, say, אני צריכה מים. אני, I, צריכה, need, singular female, מים, water. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.